30. He attacks from the middle, a pull-up jumper, and rebound. Number 9, basket and 1. And here's number 30. Win all the way to the hoops. Yes, sir. Number 9, long pass. Number 1, nakalusot. Ace. Yes, sir. Final. Number 13, pass to number 8 sa 3. Bang! 3 po. Dito tayo ngayon sa Intertown ng Ilocos Governors Cup para sa laban ng Vintar at Bacara. Hey. Yeah, shout out daw kay Jap Pagbilao. Hey. And here you go, it's a jump ball. It's between number 1, number 26. And reverse ball possession for Team Bacara. And it's number 13. He crosses at the mid lane. He stops at the middle, number 8. Picks, clutch, fires to the corner. Won't go, battle for the rebound. And goes to Team Vintar. Mangusi, number 8. He passes to number 13. Pass at the middle. Ball movement para sa Team Bacara. And number 13, he crosses over, he attacks, he passes on the inside, reverse slides up, using the window, won't go. And rebound Vintar. And here's number 30. He attacks from the middle, a pull-up jumper, and rebound, number 9, basket and 1. Number 30, pass back number 30, using the screen, he attacks. He pass on the inside, the alley-oop pass, oh, the follow-up. And still 4-0 yung score, naiwan ang bola. And is stolen. And 3-on-1 ang laban, binitbit, and a easy bucket to Bacara. And bounce pass to the corner. Kicks out. Sa gitna, ang atake, pass on the inside, one bounce, reverse layup. Short, the body of the glass, basket and 1. And here's number 7 for Team Vintar, number 30 sa 3, short. And rebound still, number 9, he drives, he fires, won't go, put back number 1. And rebound again, floater, yes sir. And here's number 13, all the way to the hoops, yes sir. Number 30 to number 7. Pass back number 30. Pass to the corner. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 po. May topak po yung score natin. 7-11. At 13. He bounce pass to the corner. He fires at 3. Bang! Number 9 long pass. Number 1. Nakalusot. Please. Yes sir. And here's number 13. Drives. Spins. Nakalusot. Supalpal. Yung spin move. Ang gandang move. Pero supalpal. And he kicks out. He's stolen. And here's on the corner. Susubok sa 3. No good. Rebound number 1 ulit. Side step. Plays. In and out. Rebound niya pa rin. 1 bounce. Number 30. Sa 3. Bang! Number 13. Pass to number 8. Sa 3. Bang! Trip. Into the corner. Bounce pass. 10 seconds shoot. Number 19. Kicks. Pull up J. No good. Rebound number 15. Nagsarili. Nagsarili si number 19. Dribbling the ball. He pass. Side step. Recover floater shot. Bucket for. And number 9. Sa 3. And number 30, he stops to the corner, fakes, attacks, pull-up jumper, no good, battle for the rebound, put back shot, still won't go, and rebound, still, naagaw, pinasa pa, lace, and 1, wide open for 3, bang, iniwan mag-isa, and here you go, number 13, pull-up jumper. Wala. And here's Team Vintar. Nagmamadali na look pass. Pull-up jump. Yes, sir. And crosses the mid lane. Sumisinyas. Number 30, stop. Far sa 3. Bang! Back to back. Number 13. Spins. Pass inside. Oops, nagawan. Long pass. Eksakto yung pasa. Kinaliwalis. Yes, sir. And here's team. White, reverse layup. Bucket for 2. Number 30. He drives. He fires. No good. Battle for the rebound. Bacara. And here's number 13. Side step. Pinaasang gandang pasa. And a good finish. And 13-point lead for Team Bintar. And here's number 30. He pass. Number 16. Number 7 sa 3. May foul. And here you go. Number 13. Pinabitin pa. Wala. Uy! Grabe yun. It crosses the mid lane. Stops. Number 89. Cross pass. And number 9 crossover. Iniwan. Lace. Wala. Put back shot. Wala pa rin. And here you go. Number 13 sa regular. Lace. Yes, sir. Post. Pass to number 8. And 1 minute. 35 seconds left. On the second quarter, he fakes. Crossover. He spins. He drives. Side step. Bumangga. Tumira. Basok yan. Para Team Bintar. Number 89. Umatake. Side step. Block. Number 19. To number 12. To number 25. Spins. Supalpal. And number 9, Cruz. Yes, sir. Alim yung tama nun. And number 25, bumangga. 26 pala, off the glass. Yes, sir. Number 13. Para sa Team Bacara. Dumistansya, umatake. Side step na ipit. Traveling. And it's number 13, nakalusot. Uy, wala. Rebound. Here's number 13. Umatake na naman. Kinaliwa. In and out. Tatlo yung bumantay. Naagawan. Sa corner fix. Sa gitna. Drive. Subal. May foul. Bintar. Pass break. Nauna na. And all alone. Easy to. Number 13. Di diskarte. Bounce pass. Number 25. Number 13. Huli. Number 30. Umatake. Supalpal. Rejected. Number 13. Pinasa. Pull up J of the window. Bucket for down to 4-point lead. Here's number 7. Team Bintar. Number 9. He drives. He spins. He pass. And here's Team Bacara. Number 13. Di diskarte. Pass on the inside. One bounce. Picks. Fires. Uy! Traveling nga lang. Traveling. And wild open for 3. Bang! Nothing but. And a 1-point lead. And number 9. Gustong mga bawin na tapikan. And here you go. For the lead. Lead by 1. Number 30. Long pass inside. Quarter basket and 1. Crosses the mid lane. Number 13. Pass back number 13. He drives. Stop. Spins. Sa gitna. Number 26. Pull up jumper. Bucket for 2. Lane number 30 with the ball. And he stops. Number 25. To the hoops. Bucket for 2. Number 30. At the logo. He stops. Sa 3, number 26. Bang! Natin. And it's Team Bacara. Crossover number 13. Mamaya daw sabi, number 8. Sa corner. Bounce pass. Iwan yung bola. Recover. Number 31. Number 29. Floater of the glass. Bucket. Didiskarte mula sa gitna. Number 30. Pass on the inside. Pinabitin. Bakit for 2? Number 13. Pinasa sa 3. Bang! 3. Number 30. Pinasa number... Number 13. Atake sa gitna. Tumira. No good. Rebound. Sa gitna. Number 29. Tumira off the glass. Bucket for 2. Favor tayo. 51-50. And here you go. Change play. Sa gitna. Number 13. Number 8. Number 13. Crossover. Nakalusot. Natapikan. Pass break. And again. Another 2. 3. And number bounce pass. Saktong-sakto. 5-point lead. And bumangga. Sinagasan yun. Rebound. Picks. Clutch. Fires. Off the glass. Bucket is good. Number 12. To number 8. Natapikan. Bounce pass. Eksakto kay number 6. Corner. Sa gitna. Pull up jumper. Bucket. And is number 26. Pinasa to the hoops. For 30. Crossover. Natapikan. Nag-dive para sa bola. Recover. Poise. Tinap in, pasok yan. And down to 1 point and 1 point lead again. Bintar. Supal-pal natin. Bound 10 seconds to shoot. Bounce pass. Picks. Binalik. Floater. Too strong. Rebound Bintar. Number 9 to number 30. Number 30. Crossover. Kicks out. Corner 3. Off the target. Rebound. Put back. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Stolen. Lace. My foul. Nakuha dito ng Bakara. Stop. Sa 3. Number 30. Kicks out. Floater. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Number 1. Putback. Short. Putback. Wala pa rin. Rebound 29. Kicks out. Cross sa 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin. Bounce pass. Lace. Finally pumasok. Number 7. To the hoops. Yes, sir. To number 19. Bounce pass. Number 26. Lace. Bucket for 2. Number 13. Atake side step. Pinasa sa loob. Fars off the glass. Down to 1 point lead. And 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Pinabitin. Too strong. And rebound. Natapikan mula sa likod. Here's number 13. Pass on the inside. Reverse layup of the glass basket and 1. 29. Bakara for the tie of the target. And here's number 30. He crosses the mid lane. He is at the logo. He attacks to the middle. Number 1 floater won't go. Rebound Bakara. Here's number 13. He throws. He pass on the middle. Stolen. Number 30 to number 9. Bounce pass. And here's Tim Bintar. Crossover. Oy! Oh! And here you go. Number 19. Sa gitna. Sa 3, may foul. Number 8. On the free throw. Oops, rebound, put back. Wala pa rin, rebound pa rin. Wala pa rin. Uy, may natamaan dun. And number 89, bumangga. Wala pa rin, battle for the rebound. Number 7. Number 30. Using the clock. Last 2 minutes. Oops, tatapikan. 1 minute, 54 seconds. Pasok. 1 Sumigway sa 3. Wala. Rebound number 28. Ay, number 26. Bounce pass to the hoops. No good. Rebound. Shoot. 1 minute 23 seconds. Backdoor inbound. He kicks out. And a 1-point lead for Ubintar. Traveling. Ubintar up by 1. He's on the logo. Here's number 30. My foul. Penalty. Nakuha dito ng Timbak Arale. So, pumasok Target. Setting the play. Last 45 seconds. Nagawan. Natapikan. Libreng-libre. James Favor ulit. And 69-68. Last 32 seconds. Tumira. Nagpala malakas. Rebound. Kicks out. Spins. 3 seconds. Ball possession. Uy. And the last on the free throw. Bucket. 3. Uy, uy, uy. Oo. And for the inbound, number 8. And he pass to number 13 sa gitna. Sa corner. Open. Usopalpal. 7 to shoot. 12.2 seconds. And he pass. Stepping back. Wide open. Left alone for 3. No good. Hindi pumasok. For the inbound. Bounce pass. Uy, nang kanilipay. That's the end of the game. Kung